In this video, we check out Forest Ranch and this beautiful home in Rancho Bernardo for families to live in. Next on Jaycation. Hey, what's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the San Diego series. Today we are in the Forest Ranch area / Rancho Bernardo neighborhoods, and we're gonna be showing you what it's like to have some family living here in San Diego. Now we're gonna tour a nice lavish house and check that out. So we're on the border of Rancho Bernardo and Forest Ranch, literally the gateway to Forest Ranch, and I'm here with realtor, my friend, Danny Quesada. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for having me.
Since we're focusing on a family neighborhood and a nice family place to live, we're gonna show you a perfect house here, and he's gonna give you a little tour right now.
Okay, let's do it. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 3,700 square foot home. It has a pool, it has tons of space inside, and so much backyard space that you're just gonna be like, I need to move in here with my family. So let's go check it out. Alrighty, we're inside, and just from walking in, I can get used to this. This is tons of space, and if you look at the vaulted ceilings, it is so high. You got the big windows that allow all the natural light in. So we have a living room, and then on the other side we have a formal dining area. You can tell that there has been a lot of care and love to it. It does seem a little older, but it seems to work. I like the charm. I like what they're doing with this place. We also have a staircase leading to the upstairs, so we'll get to that in a second. We'll head over to the dining room area. Dining and kitchen, look at these doors. My gosh. Jay, what do I do with this space, man? How many people do you think would live here?
You could probably fit 8 people in here if you needed to. I think 5 or 6.
Yeah, once it gets safe and we're able to open back up, we're gonna have tons of parties here. You know, this is gonna be the family house where everyone's gonna wanna host here. So we have the kitchen here, really nice, open, a lot of cabinetry around us. I love how it's just an open concept. We also have a really nice refrigerator that's put in. It looks like it was custom. It could be, my guess would be a few years old, probably a little older than that. Nice and clean.
It's huge too.
Yeah, it's huge. Look at all that space you can fit for your food. We also have cabinets here. We got 2 windows, which is always nice. You get to look out to the exterior backyard. So if you have dogs that are, going around and you want them to go to the bathroom while you're washing dishes, or if you have kids who are just rambunctious and need to get outside, well, you get to keep an eye on them through here. That's so awesome. And I'm telling you, Jay, we're gonna get lost in this house. We also have the laundry room area. This is a specific laundry room, and then we have the garage right through that door. Man, the amount of space already is just crazy. We also have tile flooring all throughout. It is older. It does remind me a lot of 90s type style. A lot better than having carpets throughout the kitchen areas and through the main area, so you can clean it up easily. We also have a bathroom here, and it's huge. So it's a guest bathroom, and you have it right next to a den area, or you can make this your office area. And then we also have a door that leads to the outside. So in case you want to have people come in through your private office, you can have it right here. I know a lot of tax people, attorneys, and also people who have their private practices love this type of thing.
They don't even have to enter the house.
They don't have to enter the house. All you have them come through the exterior and it's all good. Or you could use this as a private bedroom, maybe rent it out, get some extra income if you're that person who's just like, hey, I have a family, but I also want to make some money on the side.
Or a broke uncle.
Or, hey, or a broke uncle. We're not judging here. Whatever you would like to do with this space.
This would be my YouTube studio.
What kind of house would it be without a wine fridge? Look at this. They really thought it out, right? So you can put all your wine bottles here. You have a wine fridge to keep them nice and cool. So guys, this is one of 2 pantry spaces that we have inside this house. Like, this is insane. So we have this pantry, and we have the second pantry. What? This is insane. Like, you can stock up, and you won't need to go back out for at least a few months if you do it right. Always so nice to have this amount of space and not have it clutter the rest of your cabinet space on the exterior. Perfect living room for entertaining. You can have an 80-inch TV plastered right along the side here. What I like to do is do fight nights, and so I know I would use this space to invite all my friends who love watching UFC fights or soccer games, basketball games. Just enjoy. I mean, and it's also a great place to have the kids just run around, especially have younger ones. You know, carpet makes it really nice for them not to smash their legs in. And I know when babies crawl, it's always a concern, you know, where are they hitting their hands? Where are they getting into? So it's nice to have this spot that has carpet. Makes it nice and safe. And then we also have the windows. Can't get enough of natural light. I don't know what it is. It's so funny. We always want things to feel like they're outside, but inside, if that makes sense. This home is priced at $1.675 million, and this beautiful home is all yours. Now I'm gonna turn this over to Jaycation. I know he's not the realtor, but guess what? He's toured enough homes to know how to present this place, so I'm gonna let him take over.
All right, Jaycationer, so I'm gonna give this thing a try here. I know Danny's the professional, so go check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe. He's got great content all around San Diego. But now let's go upstairs and check it out. First off, guys, it's a double stairway, one that leads to the kitchen and one that leads to the front door. Not many houses have that. That is amazing. Let's continue up. We're here in the master bedroom. Huge California king bed. Beautiful views of your backyard. You got your pool here, you got your grill here. This is where mom and dad can hang out. Maybe get away from the kids a little bit. Close these double doors and have a nice little night. Pop open a bottle of wine, sit in these chairs, maybe have a TV somewhere around here and chill out. Now let's go over to this bathroom. Check out how huge this bathroom is. This is bigger than my room alone. You got two sinks, a his and her sink, bunch of cabinets. Look at this, not even a small medicine cabinet, it's huge. Walk-in shower. You could even install a rainfall type shower. I don't know what the exact term is because I'm not the professional here. And then if you want to have that bath bomb, throw it in there, have a nice little bubble bath. Kids can come in here too. You know the kids are going to be invading this spot too, right? This is the his and her throne. They'll be sharing unless there's more toilets. Maybe the queen takes this throne and then the king goes somewhere else. A closet before a closet. That's awesome. Look at this. This is a walk-in closet of your dreams. You could probably make this like 60-40, herd his, or maybe even 80-20, depending on, you know, how much stuff the lady has. It's so big, there's a phone cable and more outlets over here, so you could even maybe put a desk in here. But probably not, you have so much space, so let's move on. Right here, another closet. Maybe the kids can put their stuff in, maybe your vacuums and everything else you need, house supplies. One or two of your kids can probably live here. If they're still little, you can probably fit two singles on opposite sides of the room and have them fight out. Maybe put the border markers. For those of you that have brothers and sisters that shared rooms growing up, did you put border markers here? Comment below. And now this is probably a room for your teenager, or a room that you could turn into an office, or a room for maybe your mom or your dad if they're living with you and helping out, taking care of the kids. Nice ceiling fan in here and a nice little view of the backyard. You also got a little closet here. You also have the bathroom for these rooms. A lot smaller, probably the smallest bathroom in the house, but still. This is probably where the potty training will go down, and this is probably where the kids will just make a mess with all their bubble bath stuff. I'm sure they're gonna run over to mom and dad's bathtub because this is a lot smaller. So we're here in the corner room. This is another, maybe you could turn this into the guest bedroom or another kid's room. But when the kids grow up, they might want to separate from their room, from sharing their rooms, and you can all give them each a room. But until then, keep that as a guest room or office space or whatever you please. We do have the closet mirrors and a nice little semi-deep closet here. This also has a great view. You're overlooking the neighborhood. You see a little bit of a canyon, and there are a ton of business parks around here. Sony is just across the street. My first job was actually at one of the business parks when I was 18. I was web mining, and it's literally, I can walk there if I wanted to. That's how close it is. And we are on the border of Rancho Bernardo and Forest Ranch. And we're gonna show you more of Forest Ranch before the end of this video. Obviously, you guys can see marks here on the wall. They probably had shelving or a TV. I'm guessing shelving, and they just wanted to tear it off, and this is just a spackle, and you can just fix that up a little later. That's probably where the TV was because there's 4. Or it could have been shelves too. Y'all still watching? Make sure to subscribe to me and Danny's channels and also hit that like button so the video gets distributed throughout YouTube. Now I'm gonna throw it back to Danny, the professional, to show us the backyard of this amazing property.
Hey guys, before we go to the backyard, look how big this dinner table is. I mean, I could put all sorts of spreads and I could have a full-on game and have dinner on the other side.
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie board.
6 seats, you could probably fit in 2 more.
Oh man. I could literally have my own little restaurant shindig right here, so.
But we're social distancing right now, so probably 6 is fun.
Now we're in the backyard. Do I have a fireplace outside? Look at this. Like if it's a nice cold night where it's kind of chilly. Right now in January, we surprisingly had a storm a few days ago and it's been a little chilly, so this would be the perfect place to bring that bad boy up to speed, have your friends come out. You also have a grill. I mean, how many guys out there are wanting a grill in their outside space so they come talk and hang out? Eventually, what I would like to see done is maybe a TV somewhere so you guys can watch your football games.
Right there.
I think we found the spot. Jay, is this the spot?
This is the spot right here.
This is where you were gonna put it. You get to enjoy. This is an entertainer's dream. This home, and we are only just diving into the first half of the backyard. There's a whole nother half that we gotta go see. So we have turf, and what's really awesome is that it's super easy to take care of. You have your pets that just come out to the side. I know that as a pet person, I wake up at 6 a.m. and I have to take them straight to the bathroom. You pet owners know what I'm talking about. Now, I'm gonna show you the best part of this house, in my opinion, and I think most people are gonna agree. Come with me. Okay, so now we're going to the pool area. Every house that is above the million range, you know we gotta have a pool. And you know we gotta have some backyard space, and this pool does not disappoint. Take a look at this. So come with me, we're gonna walk up these steps, and it feels like I'm at a water park or something. It feels like an exclusive resort maybe, another entertainer's dream, a whole nother area. This is insane. Another TV that you can mount, table, plenty of space. If you're looking for that house that is huge and you love to host, this is what it's all about. Here we also have the jacuzzi, the pool. We have a slide. Guys, I told you it was a water park.
And this is a side yard, bro.
Yeah, this is one half of the yard. We also have another barbecue grill because you know, it's always better to have 2 than 1. It feels a little bit like just too good to be true almost. Can't even believe that these homes exist, but super beautiful.
One little quick note. I grew up right by a canyon. Right here, there's a canyon just down the street, and then there's a little rock formation hill up here. You know what? Beware of snakes in the summer. There, you might see them frolicking around the pool. So one little quick take, since I grew up right by a canyon, I've seen a fair share of snakes around my yard. Now there is a little hill right here with a bunch of rocks, and rocks definitely attract some snakes. So when it gets hot in the summer, you might want to have all your doors closed just to keep the snakes away, or maybe even hire a pest control company to pour stuff around the property so that you can avoid that.
So we got a water slide over there. I think as an adult, it might pain me to say, but I would probably go down the slide at least 50 times every day. Just when you have a slide, you gotta take advantage of it. And I'm 6 feet tall, so you know I'm just gonna launch straight down.
We're here on the side of this gazebo, and there is a makeshift treehouse over here. The kids can come here to the back, but make sure you're watching them because you don't want them to get bit by something. That's the type of parent I'm gonna be. All right, Jaycationers, we're here at Forest Commons at one of the classic San Diego breweries. This is Karl Strauss Brewing Company. This beer is bomb. I might actually buy one of these 6-packs right here.
Is it really that good?
It's a Vista beer. This week, California just opened up to dining, and we're out here in the patio. Right now, you can actually only order at the counter. They'll give you your beer in a plastic cup, but you can eat outside. They'll deliver your food, but they have to pack it up like it's takeout. But right now, dining is back open, outdoor dining at a certain capacity. Danny, what's up, bro?
What's going on, guys?
What are you drinking, bro?
I got a Wind and Sea. It's a lighter beer. I think he mentioned it was Hefeweizen. Yeah, it's a Hef. It's really good. It's really smooth. So, cheers.
Cheers, man. I picked up a 6-pack. I had this over at LTH in Oceanside. This is Black Plague Brewing. I always remember having this beer. Looks kind of scary, but it's good. So 4S Commons has the 4S Ranch Library just across the way. There's a World Market here. There's also a Miguel's Cocina and my favorite coffee shop in all of San Diego. I have friends that are owners of this place. It's called Mostra Coffee. We'll probably check out Mostra a little later on after this, grab a champorado Filipino style cappuccino, a little unique touch to a cappuccino. But first we're gonna eat some Karl Strauss, and then I'll show you guys a few parks before the video's over. And yeah, let's eat. Bon appetit. All right guys, so the name of this drink is a Follow the Sun Pilsner. Oh, nice and smooth. Reminds me of when I used to travel around Germany and have their local pilsners. One day, guys, we'll be back. So if you're looking for a fun place to hang out and try some decent burgers and really great garlic fries that were made famous over at Petco Park, try out Karl Strauss. Now, the burgers are all right. I'm not gonna say that they're my favorite burgers, but they're definitely worth trying. The next place I want to take you is Mostra Coffee. It's a Filipino-American owned business with 2 locations, one in Forest Ranch and one in Carmel Mountain. The word Mostra is Italian meaning to perform. They outsource coffee beans from the coffee farms in the Philippines and make some very unique Filipino-themed drinks. Today I ordered the Bibingka Creme Brulee Latte. Bibingka is a famous Filipino dessert. Right now we are here at this awesome park, Forest Ranch Community Park. Beautiful trails, beautiful houses. The houses here in Forest Ranch are a lot newer than other parts of RB, but it's still huge and awesome. And if you and your wife can combine for an awesome income, y'all can live here in Forest Ranch. Look at this. I also see Black Mountain right in front of me. That's a great low-key mountain to go check out and go on a hike. It's a really kid-friendly area. Now in Forest Ranch, there is also a nice high school here, Del Norte High School. Cathedral Catholic is just down the Ted Williams Parkway, the 56. There are some great schools here, and I actually see like a waterfall / dam along the way. Check this out. Another thing you'll find behind me is the Boys and Girls Club of San Diego, and there is a Rancho Bernardo sports park where there's basketball courts, baseball fields, and other multi-use sporting facilities. Swimming pool here, it looks really awesome. Little water slide there in the corner. Look at that. There's even soccer fields, tennis courts, basketball courts, everything you can think of in this sports center. All right, Jaycationers, so that will do it for this video. If you'd like to consider subscribing to my channel, I have tons of San Diego content to come. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I go live around town, because I do live streams once a week and I post my videos sporadically throughout the week as well. So in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego.